Ruto mondo ng'i gwenge mag Nyanza kod wang' maber, kowacho ni seche mitime pok mag dongruok to Nyanza onego ng'i maber nikech yande oseweye chien kuom higni mathoth. Masara wacho ni kaka oganda Luo onge ng'anyo moramora magidhi timo, komedo ni gima oganda Luo keto e maino en weche mag dongruok. Bende komachielo oseo jotend siasa mawuok Kaluo momako rowere mondo odhi e ng'anyo, kowacho ni mano yo masani oganda Luo ok nyal luwo.
The only protest we are going to do is to request for more projects. That's the only protest we are going to do. We want to tell the president, while employing 500 teachers for Nyanza, we must be given 300 more as affirmative action, because for some times our people are not being employed. When it is earmarked for 500 police officers in Nyanza, we must be given 800, because for the last 30 years, our young women and men were not being given opportunity. The only protest we will do is that when there is a budget of 1,000 kilometers, instead of giving us 200 or 300, we'll demand for more as affirmative action, because for the last 60 years, we were not being given. So that only demonstration will be participating. I will tell anybody who is thinking that is a superior human being. They were in Kenya since independence. There has never been somebody who has worked for this country like Amolo Odinga. And he told us that we must work with William Ruto.